Hello Math 1 students, welcome to Sandburg's Math 1 Winter Program. This video is a brief overview of the resources you will be given and how to utilize the resources to successfully complete the Math 1 Winter Program. Each of you have been assigned to the Math 1 Intervention 2022 Canvas course. Once you accept this course, you'll have access to all the chapters that each Math 1 student learned this first semester. Each of you have been assigned to specific chapters that you have shown to not have mastered during the semester. Our goal is to reteach you some of these topics and retake the exams to hopefully improve your grade so that you can earn credit for the first semester of Math 1. Each of you will receive a binder that includes all of the tutor and student practice worksheets in addition to unit reviews for each topic. So what you would do if you're going to work independently on your own at home, what you would do is you would open your binder and you would go to this tutor worksheet. Now notice here, you have a tutor worksheet and a student practice worksheet. And what you would do is from the home page of the course, if you click on the tutor video, it will bring you to a video that goes through the tutor-based worksheet. So right here, you'll notice that this worksheet is the same as a worksheet in your binder. That's in your binder. So what you're going to do is watch a video. You must take notes on the tutor worksheet. Then you will use the tutor worksheet to complete as many student practice problems as you need to complete in order to be confident enough to complete those on the unit review. So my suggestion would be to do possibly the odd problems. And then if you go to Canvas, you'll notice that not only are the videos posted there, but if you click on the solutions to the student practice worksheets are there. These solutions are not posted for you to copy. They are posted for you to kind of use as a resource to check your answers. And sometimes if you get stuck on a problem, use the answer to work backwards to try and understand. Once you have completed enough student practice problems to where you feel confident enough to complete the review problems, you would go ahead, complete the unit review, give that review to the teacher. The teacher will grade the review to determine if you are ready to retake that unit exam. The two must-haves in order to take the retake exam is to have all the tutor videos completed, or a teacher goes through the tutor worksheets with you, and the unit review. The student practice is not mandatory, but highly recommended to complete as much as you need to in order to grasp the concept. The teachers will be there to assist you with all of those problems. Once you have completed all of the tutor videos, the student practice worksheets, and the unit reviews, you will retake the exam, will grade the exam, and enter that new grade into Skyward and recalculate your semester grade. Once you have completed all of the required topics and retake each of the exams, you will be able to exit the program and earn credit for Math 1 Semester 1. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to Mr. Farina or the teachers that will be there to assist you. Hopefully this program works out well. You earn the credit and learn the skills that are not only important for Math 1, but also important for Math 2, 3, and any further math class you take.